Ever notice that something strange in politics? The more honest a politician is, the more boring people think they are. No shouting, no dramatic pauses, no viral lines. And the question is, why? Why does honesty look dull in politics while noise looks powerful? Let's talk about it. Honesty is usually calm. It speaks slowly, it explains problems instead of hiding them. और यही problem है. Because humans don't fall in love with facts. हम emotions से connect करते हैं. An honest politician will say, this issue is complex. It will take time. But another politician will say, everything is simple. Only one person is responsible. और simple answers हमेशा ज़्यादा attractive लगते हैं. Politics doesn't run on logic alone. Politics runs on fear, hope, anger, and pride. Fear of losing identity, hope of a better future, anger against someone, pride in belonging to a group. Honest leaders usually avoid playing with these emotions. वो डेटा की बात करते हैं, पॉलिसी की बात करते हैं, लेकिन डेटा कभी गूज़बम्प्स नहीं देता, एंगर देता है. Truth is slow, development is slow, real change is boring. Roads take years, education reforms take decades, institutions take time. An honest leader admits this. But in elections, slow is the worst word you can say. लोग सुनना चाहते हैं अभी तुरंत एक साल में. और जब ऑनेस्टी ये सब डिनाई करती है वो बोरिंग लगने लगता है. मीडिया भी एक रोल प्ले करता है. Calm speech don't get TRP, soft voices don't trend, balanced opinions don't go viral. A politician shouting for 30 seconds gets more coverage than someone explaining policy for 30 minutes. इसीलिए जो politician simple, calm और honest होता है वो मीडिया में कम दिखता है और जो कम दिखता है वो बोरिंग लगता है. अब थोड़ा uncomfortable truth. ये सिर्फ politicians की प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ये हमारी भी प्रॉब्लम है. हम सोल्यूशन से ज़्यादा ड्रामा एंजॉय करते हैं, हम गवर्नेंस से ज़्यादा डिबेट पसंद करते हैं, हम नॉइज़ को कॉन्फिडेंस समझ लेते हैं, और जब कोई लीडर क्विकली काम करता है हम स्क्रॉल कर देते हैं बिकॉज काम डजंट एक्साइट अस. ऑनेस्ट पॉलिटिशियंस यूजुअली डोंट परफॉर्म, दे डोंट ओवरएक्ट, दे डोंट सेल ड्रीम्स. वो सिर्फ काम करते हैं और काम बोरिंग होता है until results show up. Sadly, results इलेक्शन के बाद आते हैं, बट एक्साइटमेंट इलेक्शन के पहले चाहिए होती है. So next time when an honest politician looks boring, ask yourself, is he boring or is he just not lying beautifully? Because honesty doesn't shout, honesty doesn't threaten, honesty doesn't entertain, but honesty builds. और irony ये है, we want better politics, but we reward louder politics. Maybe the problem isn't that honest politicians are boring. Maybe the problem is we confuse noise with leadership. Truth is quiet, and quiet voices are easy to ignore.